Hi, I'm Shen. Welcome back to my channel, Mama Banana. So today I have another unboxing video for you. I just got an order in from Jujube Be, and what I have is the Be Quick in the Harry Potter Flying Keys print. So the first time I put in an order with Jujube Be, I got a free coin purse. I wasn't expecting this at all, and it was such a nice surprise, and it's very silly to say, but I'm actually really looking forward to see what coin purse I get this time round, because the last two times I got it in the Sakura swirls print, and I'm hoping that it will be something different this time. Hopefully maybe a Tokidoki print. My coin purse is in the Flying Keys print. I love this, it's gorgeous. It's actually something else that I was hoping for. Yay! I'll open this up now. I'm so excited. It sounds so silly that I'm more interested in the free gifts, but it is beautiful. Let me see. Okay, so it's a deep navy color. It's not black, and I do love it. I think the gold, white, navy, it all goes really well together. At the inside, it's a lovely white print. It's so pretty. So this is the Be Quick in the Flying Keys print. There's a heart. Now I'll be honest, I'm not actually a fan of Harry Potter. I just bought this print because I thought it looked so good online. And there's the little tags in gold. You see the Harry Potter glasses. I think that's actually very cute. And on the other side is the Harry Potter Jujube Be collab. And on the front we have the Harry Potter tag. It's very pretty. This is really nice. Now let's just open this up. Yes. What I love about the new Be Quicks are that they come with a long strap. And this long strap actually has a buckle on it, so you can extend and shorten it. And I love the Jujube Be material is just so smooth for adjusting buckles, so it's not like if kind of the leathery type materials where they'll get stuck. This is a really smooth movement, so it's very quick and easy to adjust. Now actually I don't have any bags with the new clasps on it, so I just want to try it out. I actually think that's quite easy to remove. I know a lot of other YouTubers do prefer the little clasp, the little thumb clasp. I'd say that would be easier for taking it off, but I prefer it without. I just think it looks a lot neater and just looks more stylish. Yeah, and then just a quick push. Because I won't be taking the straps on and off that often, I think this is good. This is about the same thickness as my other Be Quicks. I have a Tokidoki Iconic 2.0 Be Quick, and it's about the same thickness. I think the previous release, the Tokidoki Camp Toki print, I've heard from other YouTubers that it seems to be a thicker material, but this doesn't differ from the other Be Quicks that I have. I also have a Be Quick in Gangnam Style, and it feels about the same thickness to me. This is good, and there's a little zippered pouch on the inside. Usual zipper. All throughout the bag there is the wand print, and let's see, what does it let's say? Alohomora Wingarum Levosa. So I guess these probably mean something to actual Harry Potter fans. but I think this bag is gorgeous. I'm so happy I bought this, and it's only I think $32.50 probably. Now postage and packaging was pricey. It's $12.50 and there's no free shipping with any value, which is a shame. I've put in 3 orders with them in the past month, so I've spent quite a bit of money on shipping. Yeah, class goes on very easily. I am actually going to do an on body shot straight after. I just quickly grabbed one of my other Be Quicks that I keep in my changing bag just to compare, and they feel actually quite similar in thickness. So this is the Toki Toki Iconic 2.0 print, and they're very similar in thickness. The only thing I will say, the lining of the Toki Toki Iconic, that material seems a bit tougher, so it feels like this might be slightly heavier, and this seems a bit more satiny, so it's a lighter material. That's neither a pro nor a con, it's just something to note. Now, the reason why I actually want to get my other Be Quick is so that I can compare the straps, because I have been hearing that the new straps are quite a bit longer, so I just wanted to compare. So I'm going to have this on its longest setting. And okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's not that much longer. I'm actually really bad with measurements, but it's longer by about this much. I'll get my ruler now. So the new strap is longer than the old strap by 3.5 inches. The straps is just not as thick as the strap from the Be Set piece. Okay. And now what I did notice with the buckle, alright, as I was pulling it back and forth just once there, is that it does kind of, you probably won't be able to see this, but I'm telling you that it does fray the stitching a little and makes it look a bit worn. I just want to give my final thoughts on the Jujube Be Quick in the Harry Potter Flying Keys print. It is beautiful. I love the colouring. I'm happy with the quality of the bag. I'm happy with the short strap. I am disappointed, I guess, to say, with the long strap, just because of the quality of it. It's just so thin that it's a bit wrinkly. And the reason why I bought the Be Quick in this is I wanted to wear a crossbody, and I knew it came with the long strap, and already as I pull the buckle along, the stitching is getting frayed straight away. So, oh no, I still would recommend the bag, but if you're buying it to use as a crossbody bag with a long strap, then maybe you'd be slightly disappointed like me too. So this is the Harry Potter Be Quick with the long strap. I don't have the strap of the full length. I have it up, I don't know, what's that, 4 inches up along the buckle. And it sits here along my hip. I can shorten that up if I want, obviously. I like it. I think this looks really cute. I think this looks really cute. I think I will wear this with the long strap. I love having a Be Quick with a long strap in my diaper bag, just because if I'm just nipping into shops or something, I don't want to bring the whole diaper bag, so I'll just take the Be Quick with me and I'll throw it over my shoulder. And as you can see, I do baby wear, so I don't really like to have any straps or anything just right under my arms, because I just find it more awkward. I'm just going to put this on with the short strap anyway, just to show you. So this is the Harry Potter with the short strap, wearing it has a clutch. Personally, I'm not a fan of kind of clutches under the arm like this, but that's how it would look on. my preference would be to wear it as a wristlet or over the shoulder. I find if you wear anything under the arm, I feel like I have to keep my arms closed or it will slide off my shoulders, and that's just kind of inconvenient for me when I have my two kids out. So that's how this looks as a wristlet, which may be one of the options on how I'd wear it. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, please do give it a big thumbs up, and hopefully you will subscribe so you can see more of my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.